the city already owned the property across the street next to the post office, and so everybody worked hard for Penny for Pinellas. I went to Largo Library and spent a day folding letters into water bills and helping to bundle them in zip codes so that they would go out. And we all prayed in Penny for Pinellas Pass. So in '89, it was decided to build a new library. In order to do this, we transferred all the association's assets to the city, and they owned everything then. And it was interesting, later on when they went to sell that library building, I had to sign the bill of sale. I didn't know I owned the place. But as the last president, I had to sign the thing. And this was '89. The city hired me as director, and Janet, who was then the coordinator, she stayed on as a paid employee of the library. There were just 2 paid employees. We still had all these marvelous volunteers. And we were open, the city had us open from 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, and 10 to 2 on Saturday. So we extended the hours, and we now had a real live budget. In 1990, the city formed the committee that directed the building of the library across the street and hired Barbara Murphy, who was Largo's librarian, as consultant. We met 2 times a week, night after night. We were there until midnight sometimes, planning this thing, and then we invited all the organizations in the city to come in and offer their ideas and what their needs were for this new library. And there were some interesting ones. There were also some odd ones, like the gentleman who said you don't need a bathroom. I'll never forget that. He thought it was a waste of time. I don't know whether we were supposed to go over to the post office or what. But it was also necessary to fill out a grant application to the state to get money to build the library. And in that, Barbara was a tremendous help. So was Dennis Jones, and so was the architects. They were a big help in forming this thing. It takes a long time to build a grant. They're about this thick, full of all kinds of papers about things and statistics that you gather.